Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I'm having a new power bank to unbox today, and it's actually a easyPie power bank. This power bank has been on the YouTube in the JUMIA stations and in the reviews for a long time, but I just decided to see how it is. Although when I got it, I was not really pleased with what I got because the packaging wasn't really something to talk about. But I'm glad that I got it here, so I'm going to show you how it went. The power bank actually comes in this kind of box right here. Is it showing? Look at the box. I just want to make this review kind of a quick review for you guys to see, but in actual sense, it's a good power bank for people that like it. But I have a power bank that is somehow similar to this kind of size, and it does pretty well, better than this. But this only does Type-C in and others. But the one I got before is a little bit bigger than. I watch the video right here. This is the Philly 20,000 mAh power bank, similar to this type, but the only difference is that it has the Philly power bank, then it has a digital display for the power bank module. Right now you can already see the light display in bars on the white light presently light. But the one I have before, presently I don't have it here with me now, it's charging, but it reads here 20,000 mAh. I'm going to read the specs for you as I usually do presently. So the battery capacity limited is 20,000 mAh, Type-C output 5 volts 2.1A, as you can see right here. So the Type-C input is 5 volts 2.1A, and the Type-C output as well 5 volts. Oh, I can see Type-C input and output. It seems like it also does out, but in the specification here something is actually different, because I can see only in. You can see it's only in that is here. It doesn't specify as out. That's some things that you can also get you get notified about doing these power banks and their advertising. Is that called false advertising? You might not know. Further on proceeding, you have USB output 5 volts 2.18. That's a regular USB output. First one here. Regular USB output 5 volts 2.18, and the second one is micro USB output 5 volts 2.18. So actually it perform in only giving out 5 volts. You don't actually know if they can perform in giving out 12 volts, 9 volts, and all those power delivery super fast charging tech. Right here, the rated wattage isn't actually written here, like watts. We don't see anyone written here, but let me check the packaging if I can see something like that. I'm not sure. No, just a 20,000 mAh easyPie power bank, and it's very trendy. It's a very trending power bank on JUMIA right now. So that's all for this, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you support the channel. Anything doing, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Anything I haven't actually talked about, let me know in the comment section. It's a very good video. easyPie portable lithium power bank 20,000 mAh from JUMIA. It also supports fast charging, but how fast does it do? No written specifications there on the mAh or the wattage rather. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.